Hello, everybody. Mike here. So today we're going to be talking about InVideo AI, and it actually is really good, surprisingly good. So I've made a few videos with it. This is kind of the main homepage here, right? You can click. So it has a few options. You can clone your voice, which I've done. There's the text to clip, text to image, photo to clip. I've done mainly the video. So if you do create AI video, you can give it a topic, right? You can create a short explainer, and it helps you do all this. You can use your own script, right? So if I just say, have a YouTuber, let me see, YouTuber talking in studio, right? And simple. And we can do generate. And then here is some more options once I said like to do the YouTuber in the studio, some other things. You can select, you can edit, and then just do continue. And then it's going to start building the video. So there it is, all complete. We're going to play it. Click. The YouTubers in the studio talking. About a minute long. So pretty nice. And then you can change it to 1080p. Make it a little bit better picture. Right, but all this within minutes. It generated all this for. And like I said, you can change the clips inside of it. So like we can actually go back. So it has like generate video. But another thing, like when you use the script, like you can paste the script here. This is usually what I do. There's a lot of options here. You can have it generate clips, generate images, the language. So if you wanted to do it in another language, subtitles, there's options for the subtitles, right? Voice actors. Oh, I actually clone my own voice. Music. There's all types of things you can do, right? And it even has for what program, like TikTok, Instagram, YouTube. So this is really cool. I can, so if it went in, we'll go media library, right? And then some of this stuff I uploaded, and some of it, so this is the stuff that I've uploaded. And then this is their library, I guess, of things that people have described, which I haven't really used this, but you get credits to describe things and then kind of have the AI create it. One of the cool things I like if you go here, you can do the edit. So you could say, make subtitle highlighted word color. We'll make it, let's see, we'll make it green. Generate. So after it's done, you can tell it commands. So change subtitle. Right. This is one of the things I love. Kind of the prompt editing is very cool. Saves a lot of time.
Going wrong.
There it is.
Despite all the hype around AI and
so that's simple. You just have to tell it what to do, right? And you can go in here and edit this. So like you uploaded media, so you can upload your own clips, which I've done, and then you can go to generative media. So these are the ones that you kind of have to use credits, and you ask the AI for InVideo to create. So say here's some of the ones, and then they have like the little scenes. You can quickly replace the scenes, and then you just do apply. You have the settings. You could do like the sound, the voiceover, right? You can change the script. Right, so you can customize this. There's a lot of options. So, like I said, for like typically for faceless channels, this is really cool, really nice. In the regular, like in not the kind of the AI, but in the regular in video, when I would do the script to videos. They weren't that great, honestly, but this is actually like really nice, and I really like that you can give it commands, right, and then it updates the video accordingly. Very simple. I feel like it's pretty user friendly to do all this. A few minutes, you'll kind of get the hang of it. Right, so I am very impressed with this. Like, I think this is, they said version 3. Very nice, very impressive. So overall, I would recommend it. Like I said, it's kind of a best for faceless channels, right? Or you want to do maybe marketing videos. That's one of the good things nowadays. You can kind of tell the AI to kind of help you with the, if you want to do quick videos. This thing really comes in handy. So overall, impressed with this. Definitely check it out for sure.